Guys, life will always come in the way. So if you're working a 9 to 5 job at the moment and you're thinking you don't like your life, you hate the money that you got, and you want to start an online business that can completely change your life, well, guys, do not wait on the opportunity. Do not think about it. Do not say to yourself, I'm going to start later. I'm going to start next time. I'm going to start, in a couple of years, or I'm going to start in a couple of months, or I'm going to start in a couple of weeks. Don't say these things, because what happens is life will always come in the way. And guys, if you don't know my story, I used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I used to work in World Duty Free, Argos, Sky. Before I decided, you know what, I've had enough of my life. I'm going to take the biggest risk. I quit my 9 to 5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And this is where I am currently. This is where I've been for the last 2 years. I now make well over 6 figures a year on my online coaching business, which again has completely changed my life. But guys, it wasn't me just sitting there waiting for the opportunity. I didn't just sit at my workplace and say, you know what, one day life's going to get better, or one day I'm going to take action, or one day I'm going to do X, Y, and Z. What I did, right, was I said, today I am going to take a risk. I'm going to quit my job and I'm just going to move, right? I didn't think twice. I just made a decision and I went and did it. A lot of you guys, right, when it comes to making decisions, when it comes to starting something, you want to think about it. You want to ponder on it. You want to procrastinate around it, right? And I'm telling you from experience, doing all of this isn't going to change your situation. The only thing that will change your situation where you can actually completely change your life is by taking action. Action solves all of your problems, right? And I realized this very early when I was at work. I was on my phone and I was watching YouTube, and I saw so many people living in Dubai, living in Bali, making money online, traveling, doing all this kind of stuff, right? And I said to myself, I'm at work, working with these people, making 2-3 grand a month, working 40 hours a week for my boss, whereas these people online can just go where they want, travel where they want, live in the best city ever, right? So I said, you know what, I can't live my life like this. So I just made a decision. A lot of you guys don't do that. You say, I'm going to start in a couple of weeks, or I'm going to start next week, or I'm going to start in a month, or I'm going to start next year, right? Why would you do that? What do you think is going to change in a week's time, in a couple of weeks' time, in a month's time, in a year's time? Do you think your life is randomly going to get better? Do you think life is randomly going to make things easier for you? Because I'll tell you one thing from experience, right? There is never a right time. People think, oh, I'm going to do this tomorrow, I'm going to do this next week, I'm going to do this later. There is never a right time. You're waiting for an opportunity that doesn't happen, right? Because life will always come in the way. I have seen this myself with many people that said, oh, I'm going to try this in 2 weeks' time. They didn't end up doing it. I'm going to try this in a month's time. They didn't end up doing it. I'm going to try this when money is better. Never happened. I'm going to try this when I get a better job. Never happened. I'm going to try this when I have more time. Never happens. Guys, let me explain one thing to you, right? Life will always come in the way. When you try and put things off for tomorrow, next week, a month's time, a year's time, what you're essentially saying is that your life is randomly going to improve in that time frame, right? It never works like that, guys. I'm telling you, life will always come in the way. I've spoken to so many people, right, who will say, I'm going to start when this happens, but that never happens, because what happens is unexpected bills come up, or you might lose your job, or something comes up, right, where it affects you from taking the action. My point is, are you going to wait on external things to basically decide to change your life? Like, are you going to wait for things that are beyond your control to change your life? Because the only thing that's in your control is what action you take today. Because if you can take action today and you can start something, well, you're already making progress to change your life. But when you rely on external things, when you say, I'm going to rely on a time frame, right? How do you know your life's going to get better in that time frame without taking action? When people put things off for maybe next month, a years from now, whatever, right? How do you know that you're going to be in a good position at that point for life to get better? It doesn't work like that. And I've known from experience, right, from doing it myself, life will always come in the way. There's many times I wanted to move to Dubai and, live here. And I used to look at, okay, it's not the right time. Maybe I'll wait a little bit. Maybe I'll try and save some money, X, Y, and Z. Nothing happened, right? Unexpected bills came up. There was never a perfect time, is what I'm trying to say. If I had waited for the perfect time to move to Dubai, I never would have done it. I would be in the UK right now, working my 9 to 5 job, thinking, what could my life have been, right? Honestly, guys, when you delay things, when you put things off, nothing is going to change. And this is why you need to act now. This is why you need to act with urgency, right? Successful people love speed. Successful people act fast. Guys, when I make decisions, I act really quickly. I don't waste time. I don't think about it. I don't procrastinate. If I need to do something, I just do it. And I don't waste time. And again, this is my point. Successful people love speed, right? The only reason a plane, as heavy as it is, can glide through the air is because of speed, right? When you take action quickly, things change, things really move forward. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. You have to move quickly. And a lot of people wait for things, a lot of people wait for opportunities. And a lot of people, right, especially when opportunities are in front of them, They just decide not to take action. Now, guys, I have my own online coaching business, right? Where I work with you on a one-to-one basis by using the One Skill Consulting business model, help you scale to 10K a month, which can completely change your life and give you freedom. Now, if you guys want to work with me on a one-to-one basis and start this online business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, you guys need to move with speed. You guys need to take action. Now, I'm not saying just randomly quit your job, by the way. All I am saying is start that online business. If you want to make money, if you want to have freedom, if you want to travel where you want to travel, if you want to live in Dubai or live in a country of your choice, all you have to do is take action today. Don't delay it. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for next week. Don't wait for next month. Don't wait for next year. Start now, because the only thing, as I said earlier, that you can control is what you do today, okay? Because you guys have to also understand one thing, right? Let's say you want to start in 2 or 3 months' time. Well, if you had started now, by the 2-3 months' time, you'll be in a much better financial position. So why would you waste that time? Why would you waste the time until you feel ready? There's never going to be a time where you feel ready. I'll tell you that for free. Even when I quit my job, moved to Dubai, right? It was probably one of the worst periods to do that because I didn't have much money. I didn't have any money saved, right? And I was just taking risks. But I knew what I wanted, right? I forced the universe to give me what I wanted. So I took a big risk. I took some action. I knew at that point, all I could control was what I was doing that day. So I made that decision. I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to move to Dubai and I'm going to start an online business, right? I did all of those 3 things. And the only reason I was able to do that was because I took action straight away. Most 9-to-5ers and most people in general, right? They take too long. They don't take action straight away. They think about it. They waste time. And what happens is your brain also convinces you not to do it, right? Because your brain is trying to keep you comfortable. Your brain is trying to keep you protected. So when it's coming to doing something that's a little bit unknown to you, your brain will talk you out of it. And this is why you need to ignore that. Start anyway. Start with discomfort. Because when you start making money, your life will naturally become comfortable. Guys, it is extremely easy to make money online. Literally any one of you guys that are watching this video can do it. Now, if you guys do want any help, right, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.